Hey guys, welcome back. So today, I'm showing you how to unlock every achievement in basically any Steam game. And it takes like 10 seconds. First thing, head to the first link in the description. That'll take you to a GitHub page called SAM, Steam Achievement Manager. Go to the Releases section and click on version 7.0.41. There might be a newer version by the time you're watching this, but the steps are exactly the same. On that release page, scroll down to Assets and download Steam Achievement Manager -7.0.41.zip. Once it downloads, extract the folder, open it, and run sam.game.exe. Give it a second to load your Steam library. Once your games show up, click on whichever game you want to mess with. I'm using House Flipper here. 0 achievements, completely clean slate. From here, you've got two options. You can pick specific achievements one by one, or just hit Unlock All and then commit changes to grab everything at once. And that's it. Go check your profile. Every achievement shows up unlocked, like you've been grinding that game for years. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more.